In this video, I'm going to describe the process of assigning the CM resource parent tags within Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.6. This is a new function that we've added in the 4.6 release to simplify the process of adding these tags within your environment. So the CM resource parent tag then, this is a useful new feature which has been added by Microsoft to allow you to group costs for items within a host pool. So this could be hosts, disks, or network cards or associated resources underneath the host pool to which they're assigned. This allows you to view those costs within your Azure environment in a much more simple and logical way. Now you can add these tags directly in the Azure portal, but I'm going to show you the process for doing this quickly and easily within the Nerdio Manager portal. When creating a new host pool, under the Apply Tags section, we can simply tick the Add CM Resource Parent tag, and this will assign that parent tag to all resources within that host pool. Similarly, for existing host pools, we can go to the Manage tab, Custom Tags, and we can quickly add the CM resource parent tag to all resources within that host pool. This simplifies the process of adding this tag, makes it a one-click operation in effect, and means that you'll be able to view your resource costs in the Azure portal in a much more easy to absorb, much more logical fashion. Hope this information has been useful. Thank you for your time, and we hope to see you again.